So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about health and disease. So ensure to stay to the end of this video as this is a very important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a free practice question for your biology examination. Health is a state of physical and mental well-being, and disease is often responsible for causing ill health. Well, diseases can be communicable or non-communicable. The communicable diseases are those ones that can spread from person to person or from animals to people. They can be caused by organisms such as bacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites, and they are sometimes described as contagious or infectious diseases. Measles and malaria are some examples of communicable diseases. We will learn more about this in our future lessons. Non-communicable diseases, on the other hand, cannot spread between people, and they cannot spread between animals and people. They actually last for a long time and get worse with time. Asthma, cancer, and even the coronary heart disease we discussed in our previous video are examples of non-communicable diseases. Sometimes diseases can interact and cause other physical and mental health issues that do not immediately seem related. Let us consider a few of them. For instance, people who have problems with their immune system have greater chances of suffering from communicable diseases such as influenza. This is because their body is less likely to defend them from the pathogen that causes this ill health. Again, some types of cancer can be triggered by infection by certain viruses. For instance, infection with some type of hepatitis virus can cause a long-term infection on the liver where the virus lives in the cells. This can lead to an increased chance of developing cancer. Another example is infection with the human papillomavirus, which can cause cervical cancer in women. Immune system reactions in the body caused by infections by a pathogen can sometimes trigger allergic reactions such as skin rashes or worsen the symptoms of asthma for those living with asthma. There are other factors that can still affect a person's health, such as whether or not you eat a good balanced diet that provides your body with everything it needs and in the right amount. Actually, a poor diet can affect your physical and mental health. Stress could also be another factor. Being constantly under lots of stress can actually cause health issues. Your life situation can be another factor. Example is whether you have an easy access to things that can prevent you from getting ill or not. So guys, here is a free revision exam question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.